Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will like to show you the way how you can get a click sound on your subscribe animation on your YouTube video. It's super easy, you only need CapCut application. So by adding the sound of click in the subscribe button, it could be adding more sense of good quality of the video that can influence the viewers to subscribe your channel. So open the video that already having the animation of subscribe on it. Let's check. This is the video that I probably uploaded later on my YouTube account, and I also already have the animation of subscribe on this side. Now if you want to add the sound for this animation, you just need to take a look on this bottom side right here, and then you just need to make sure that the straight line is standing into the same position or duration where the animation of subscribe is pop up. Now the next thing you need to do is just tap into the audio, click the sound fx and type into the search button here a click. And now you just need to wait until everything is loaded. Now you just need to find the animations that you want to have and click this plus button. And now this is gonna be the result. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this, guys, and let's meet again into other tutorial.